Okay, Monty. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to walk through and do a video for you so you can see. Also, I want to remind you that we are in a formal class. So right here where you have, but did you recheck? All right. You need to spell out you. You also need to put a period and you need to sign. You just did an email. So now I expect beginning students to start formatting it in the same way that they just learned. Okay? All right, let's go see together what I did. Okay, 25, the lessons for last week were 25 for 32, 25-1, email. Here's what I do. I click on the advanced filter. Notice I keep all these checked. I keep all these, and you can do the same thing, 25 through 32. And I put the end date 7/7, okay, and I click apply. Then what happens? It comes up. So to get it so it's going the correct way, I check to make sure. ABC. I'll check some of these sometimes to make sure. Say these are 27. Look at these high errors. You need to be focusing on accuracy. Those are just too high. Okay, so I make sure it's A through G. So I make sure you did all those. And then here on 25-1, shows 17 errors. My guidelines I'll show you when I'm done, the guidelines which were in Canvas, and you had to have read them, tell you what you're doing wrong. I'm not going to go back and grade these, but see, I made more than 2 errors. Read guidelines in Canvas. Okay, right here. Don't you hit a paragraph. Let Word wrap for you. If you guys are reading in the textbook, and if you are reading the reference manual in the GDP program, you would know this. Okay? And I don't get emails, so I assume you're doing it. Okay? Signature line that reads your name, email. I have no clue what these are. So go, just for your own information, go through. Okay, again, all right, email. For some reason, it's counting you wrong here with this email. Check that out. All right, so I don't even look at these if they have 17 errors. That tells me you just typed it and you didn't even bother to proofread it. You didn't bother to check to make sure everything was kosher. Use the spell check, the grammar check. There's a program in there that will help you with proofreading. I put it in Canvas. I'll show you that too, that the author provided for you. The old saying, you can lead a horse to water, but you can't make it drink, and that's what's happening here. All right, so you got 0 for that one. That was 25-1. The next one was 28-9. Okay, I made a comment here, these red A's. This is good here. This one, I probably made some comment. I focus, need to meet the 5 error less. Yep, you guys are at the point where you're keying the timed writings. That is crucial to your grade at this point. There are no documents in 26, 27, 28. Again, look how high your errors are. Your errors are high. Okay. There was no 28, I don't believe. 28-9. Nope. There we go. Sorry, my bad. Again, 21 errors. Go here to details. This pops up too. Why, look at all these errors. Go in and find out what they are. Right here. Don't type this. This red mark right here, I know there's something in Canvas that says that red vertical line all that means, and I know it's in your book, all that means is that you are supposed to, that's a new paragraph, so you would hit the enter at this point. Okay, so that one gets a 0. Alright, 29, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. You probably got 4 for that one. Alright, and there was no 28, 11. Okay, 29, A through L. Okay, 29. Oh, A through L, H, I, J, K. Where's L? L? What happened to L? Look at the time you're doing this. Don't wait till the last minute. I'll send out an announcement to everybody. This is why you guys are not, or you in particular, but you're not alone. 10:45, you're not going to be able to get these done. When did you start these? Yeah, I mean, that is too late. You've had a week. Why are you waiting till Sunday night at 8:25? Okay, so 29, 30. See, by 7:30, so I must have looked. There's nothing. So then if I go into 7:8, which I probably did, thinking, you've done this before, and I counted it, so I'll just look again. No, it's not even coming up this time. 30, I probably gave you credit for 30, and look, you didn't even, yeah, see, 29, 30, 31, there's nothing. Let's see. Okay. Let's see what happens. 25 to 32. And the start date is June 10th. And let me put in July 8th and see what happens. Okay. See, it's still not coming up. Nothing is coming up even for the July 8th. And you saw what happens when I do the advanced filter. Let's see, for the 9th. Did stuff come up for the 9th? Grab it in there. 25 through 610 through. Nothing's even coming up through then. So I don't know how I managed to give you grades for work that's not even there. Okay, you can do the same thing. You can do your own advance of the filter. Maybe I need to log out and log back in again. Let's see if that will do it. Okay. Sometimes if I'm in it too long, this is a long video too. Okay, let's see, 25 to 32. Let's see what happens. Yeah, nothing's even coming up now. Okay. Let's see if I go in and do. Did you go in and change them after I emailed you? Nothing. I have that. I have that. So count your blessings that I went in and gave you some grades for stuff that's not even coming up. looks like, because I know I said I gave you a grade for something. All right? Okay.